Today I am going to show you how to implement switch port security. There are a few commands which I am going to show you how to avoid intruder access to your local area network. The CISCO proprietary commands are switch port mode access, switch port mode access. These commands we have to implement on interface level. Switch port mode access is individual switch port we can use, and switch port trunk, switch port mode trunk we use for trunk line. There are another switch having connected with number of computers or devices. It link with the core switch, then it establishes the trunk line. We can implement for the trunk line or also switch port security. I will show you the next step. Then the command is switch port security, switch port security, port security. Then other one switch port security, also switch port security, and MAC address. And we have to issue the static MAC address if you use the MAC address command. 1 2 3 4. I will type here just for example. It's not real MAC address. Later we can use we can use the real MAC address. This other command is switch port security. It's also MAC address, but this time we are using sticky command. Sticky mean switch itself learn MAC address from the device and save it into the MAC address table. And I told you there's another command for the especially for the trunk line. We can issue switch port security and maximum command, maximum number of devices can allow. We can give like 3. Strictly we must implement this command, switch port security violation has 3 type of violation modes: protect, strict, and shutdown. Use protect. Strict, and third one is shutdown. Switch port security violation, shutdown. These 3 modes has a different actions. And shutdown, if you use the switch port violation shutdown, it's switch port automatically. If it is violate someone this port, switch itself automatically shut down the port. Then what we have to do, administratively we shut down, and on the interface level shut down and no shut down for get the link up. Otherwise this is a little difficult task, and then we have to manually do shutdown and no shutdown commands. We have to avoid this. There's a global command disable recovery cause psecure-violation. Then this command, when you use in a global mode, this port will automatically recover. Global config mode. Then there's another command. It will take little time. We can give how many seconds little to be recover. We can use this command, error disable recovery interval. We can minimum give 30 seconds. Otherwise you can give more than that to recover the port again. So these are the commands. These two commands using in global mode, global config mode. Then above these all commands has to use interface level. This only two has to use in a global configuration mode. Okay. Then next step is, before implementing these commands, security commands, we can check what are the status of the switch ports. Then first we can use the status. We can use running config command to see all the configurations status of the switch. And interface level we can check interfaces status. If we use this command, we can see which port has disable, is connected, or having an error, some errors. If there is indicating, we can see that. And next one, we can check is there any port has already implemented security. Check port security. Check port security. We can use this command. So port security, this shows which ports the listed port has security already implemented, and this command shows individual port with in details, either you can issue port number, either fast Ethernet 11O, either you can use gigabit Ethernet port, like that. Then detailed description you can see issue in the individual interface, and also you can check the MAC address table. You can issue the command show MAC address table, then it will listed all the type of MAC address table, either dynamic or static. So we can filter MAC address table dynamic, then next one we can also MAC address table static, or secure. Now we can try to implement these commands, and we will check each and every show commands, how we implemented the port security on this switch.